If you're on the hunt for a free audio editor, you've probably stumbled across Audacity. But is it really the best option out there? Let's dive into what this software offers and see if it lives up to the hype. Audacity is an open source audio editing software that's been around for quite a while. It's designed for recording and editing audio, making it a go-to choice for podcasters, musicians, and anyone needing to manipulate sound. The interface is fairly straightforward, with a timeline where you can easily drag and drop audio clips, apply effects, and adjust levels. What stands out immediately is the range of features available, everything from noise reduction to pitch adjustment. It can even work with multiple tracks, which is great for more complex projects. However, while it aims to be user-friendly, the layout can feel a bit cluttered for newcomers. Plus, there's a learning curve when it comes to understanding some of the more advanced features. One area that feels a bit lacking is the customer support. Since it's open source, you won't find dedicated help unless you dive into community forums, which may not be ideal for everyone. Let's break down some strengths and weaknesses. On the plus side, Audacity is completely free, which is a huge draw. It also supports a wide range of audio formats and offers a solid set of editing tools. However, the user interface can be overwhelming, especially for beginners who might prefer something more intuitive. Another frustration is that while it's packed with features, some users report that it can be buggy, particularly when handling larger files. And because it's open source, the lack of formal support channels can leave users feeling a bit stranded when issues arise. For those who need advanced audio manipulation without breaking the bank, Audacity might work well, but if you're looking for a smoother, more user-friendly experience, you might want to explore some paid options. In the end, Audacity is a solid choice for anyone needing a free audio editor, especially if you're willing to invest some time in learning its ins and outs. If you're a beginner though, you might find yourself frustrated. Overall, it's worth a try, but don't hesitate to look at alternatives if you want something more user-friendly.